So which link are we replacing?
Oh wait, hold on.
Yep, that's the one. I think
I can't see.
you have the Allen key on it. Do you have the Allen key on it still?
Yeah.
Yeah, get that off there. You just need to pull it out now. There you go. We might have to like hammer it out or something.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
I'll get a. You know why?
Why?
Because there's probably some tension on it. So this should be the next one we get out. So once we take that one out, then there'll be no tension on this puppy. So anyway, that's the link we're going. Sorry, you know these are 14s, so you can get that off. And then hi Marley. And then I will show them the new. Oh, I'll take your word light. So we're lowering. Well, first we got the stock exhaust off. We got that one on, waiting on the strap to come in. And then we're lowering it because Christie is a shorty. She can barely touch the ground, but I think she's been riding just fine on it. There you go. Got a keychain. Well, that's what happens when you order parts, just when you get it before you even ride it. But
no, I mean I don't want to lower it.
This looks sweet.
I want to be able to back it up with my feet.
This said there was like 1 to 3 inch, and I don't know if that means 1 or 3 inches, but this definitely looks like there's only 2 different heights. So, all right, I'm gonna put the camera down and get back to helping you. What? All right, so Christie got the old one out. So this thing was advertised as 1 to 3 inches. Survey says no. This is just a 1 inch drop. I'm guessing because this looks like an inch apart, but I don't know if it's a linear relation. Like, does 1 inch here mean 1 inch down? I don't really know, but you should at least be able to get half your foot on the ground, so I think you'll be able to back it up. But here, hold this. Film this. So one thing you notice is this is the one bolt that came out. This came out of the front one, right? It's not gonna fit, so you do need to reuse these. These are brass, so I wonder if that's why they don't have these. It's a rubber bushing with, you gotta be careful when you pull this out, just in case, because I like to keep the stock stuff good. It's got needle bearings and stuff. Can you give me the light? Because I don't think there's any way of seeing this. And I got my finger underneath it so the needle bearings can't slip out. Can you see on there now? It's kind of hard to see, but anyway, there's needle bearings. There's like a rubber sleeve, a rubber bushing, and then a metal sleeve holding the needle bearings in there. So, but what we're gonna do is just put these bolt sleeves. There's no needle bearing, but it's pretty loose, and I think for a suspension it's okay. This is brass, so we're gonna just slip these in here, and then put axle grease on the bolts. These should slip in nice. There we go. Take this one out, and you want it on the lowest setting, I believe, right? Careful, because we're just gonna set that on the shelf. Oh, hello, Zora. Hello, Marley. Why don't you guys just say hi to the camera then, huh?
Sorry.
What?
Yeah, tap it. There we go.
Yeah, so you can see what you're looking at. So we'll put this at the lowest setting. So this is gonna stretch it out more. This was stock. I don't know if I showed that already. This is gonna be stock height, and this is gonna be that drop height, so you can see. So it'll lower it, and you just said on camera that you don't even want to lower it. So this is gonna be good enough. But this was like good quality. The other brand was like $50, but it was just the triangle piece that's under there. This seems like a bit cooler of a unit. So, all right, I say we get some axle grease on these, put them in, and then we'll film what you look like on it.
Cool.
All right, they're Bellatrix.
Wow.
What a day, ladies and gents. Yesterday we put the pipe on the old CB500F, and waiting on the strap to get here still. So that's not on yet, but yeah, yesterday we did that. We just got done installing this PSR lowering link. And you can see right there. There she is. See if we can peer. It's not the kind where you replace those. It's the bottom link. About an inch. She's happy with it.